In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color code calendar in Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean visual system where each event stands out by category, making your schedule easier to scan and manage. First, open your Notion calendar view and go into its settings. This is the panel that controls how the view behaves and what properties are visible. From there, choose Edit Properties. This is where you define the data fields each calendar event or page can use. Next, create a new property. Give it a clear, simple name like Category. Short, consistent labels make your calendar easier to read later. After naming it, set the property type to Select. Select is perfect here because it allows one chosen value per event, each with its own color, which keeps your calendar clean and unambiguous. Now, add your options. Click. Add an option and start typing the categories you actually use, such as work, personal, meeting, or deadline. Keep option names concise and distinct so they're easy to tell apart at a glance. You can always rename or reorder them later if your workflow changes. Once the options are in, click one of the created options to open its settings. Then choose Colors. Assign a color that matches the feel or priority of that category. For example, urgent items might use a bold red, while planning or admin could be a calmer blue or gray. Aim for contrast so neighboring events don't blend together, and avoid assigning similar colors to categories you frequently see side by side. With your property and colors set, it's time to apply them. Click an event on your calendar to open its page. In the Properties panel, find the new category field you created. Click the empty field next to it, then pick the appropriate category from the list. The event will immediately display that color on the calendar, giving you instant visual feedback. Repeat this for your other events. As you go, you may notice patterns that suggest you need another option or a clearer name. Feel free to refine your categories and colors to fit your routine. If you prefer to keep your calendar uncluttered, you can hide properties you don't need in the view settings, leaving category front and center. That's it. Your Notion calendar is now color-coded with a select property, custom options, and meaningful colors that make your schedule easier to read at a glance.